it pays to take extra business courses, extra communication courses in your studies, right? Because you are going to have to present those results, and being able to talk to the business is what separates you from other data scientists, other people on your teams. You know, we've had questions about leadership. I think that good communication is what moves you up into leadership, right? If you're able to talk to the business and talk to them in plain language, well, guess what? When they have project ideas or they have needs in the future, you're going to be the one they come to first, because you're the one who speaks English on the team, right? You're not the tech speak guy. Now you're talking to them in a way that they understand. So in turn, they're going to come to you in the future, right? So lots of value in being able to understand the business side and be able to talk with them, right? You know, as an illustration, I can think of a time, well, there's been many times in my career where somebody approaches me and says, I like coming to you because you talk to me in plain words. But I'm thinking about an instance, shoot, I just realized I can't tell you about the exact example, but I was working for a client, a large company, and it was a case where somebody approached me and said, I was leading one of their data science teams, and they approached me and said, hey, I think we have a customer service issue with topic X. I can't say what topic X is. We have a customer service issue with topic X. Is there anything you can do to help us? And we were able to create an algorithm for them that helped them identify different instances where event X could happen. And we were able to analyze, you know, how many times it had happened versus times where it could have happened but didn't happen, so on and so forth. And then we gave them those results, and those results ended up being worked out into a significant policy change within the company, right? Or an examination of those policies. But those are the times, you know, you're going to have those times in your career where people are going to feel comfortable approaching you. And then in turn, you're going to develop this great project that you already know the business needs, because they just spoke to you and say, hey, I think we have a problem here. Can you help us? Because, you know, you're our main guy. You're the guy we talk to. You're the guy that we know communicates well. So we're going to come to you first, right? They don't go and talk to the math nerds first, right? Because they don't understand those guys, right? So I think, Rex, you're definitely hitting upon an important part of it, where having that business knowledge is going to help you guys in your careers.